I tried something new. It didn't work.
Oh, that's right. I won.
Yeah, the reward's not a breather.
Yes, for my reward I get to fight the gigantic man.
Yes.
With the enormous shield.
Oh,
thank you.
You've got around and plenty tonight.
So I'd like to thank my mum and my manager. Yeah. Big queen, sorry.
Alright.
I was hoping I'd actually pull you with that, and it did work.
Mm.
Look.
Sorry. Yeah.
It's alright.
I was aiming for that leg. It stepped out of the way.
Yeah, I was running right back.
Follow through. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just above. Any lower I would have said no.
That's where I'm aiming for. Well, hopefully slightly higher than that, but
Yeah.
yeah, maybe an inch above that. Get it around the curve of your shield. You're fucked if you can't get it.
Yeah, I'm on.
If you,
Look down there.
you're
Just want to make sure the
You let us wear each other out first. That was a push.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't a shot.
You see my thrust? It was I drew you beautifully in it. Huge! Oh,
Mine
yeah.
was exactly the same, only it got a little bit more plate on the follow through.
Man. Okay.
Good. Yours came in too.
Okay, well,
Same time.
do it again.
Yep.
When you throw those, right, that's the angle of your arm. So the sword is going up through the plane of the shield.
Yeah.
Why don't you try lifting your hand up
Right.
and dropping your sword?
So instead of throwing it like
That, yeah, try it like, yeah, now get it over my shield. Yeah. So stick
Why-
it out.
It's
Your
worth
hand,
selecting on this one because it doesn't have the
your
point.
hand is being higher than my shield.
My
Yeah,
wrist.
let it drop down.
Yeah, my wrist isn't as
One
flexible.
of the things I noticed you do, which is why I think last week we were doing slow, yet we're doing slow at speed, but your shot felt like this.